Imagine discovering that everything you've ever seen, every star, every galaxy, every planet, and even every person who has ever lived, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is completely invisible. We can't see it. We can't touch it. And despite the most powerful telescopes ever built, we still have no idea what most of the universe actually is. That means the reality we know could be only a tiny piece of a much larger cosmic puzzle. For centuries, humanity believed that every major discovery brought us closer to understanding the universe. We landed on the moon, we photographed a black hole, we built the James Webb Space Telescope and looked farther into space than ever before. But with every answer came an even bigger question. The deeper we explore the cosmos, the stranger it becomes. Invisible matter holds entire galaxies together. An unknown force is stretching the universe apart faster every second. Somewhere in the darkness, there may even be civilizations that have existed for millions of years. Yet the universe remains completely silent. Today, we're exploring the biggest mysteries in the universe. These aren't just unanswered questions. They are mysteries that could completely rewrite everything we know about reality. And the final mystery may be the most unsettling question humanity has ever asked. Imagine spinning a bucket of water over your head. Spin it too slowly, and the water falls out. According to everything we know about gravity, galaxies should behave in a similar way. Stars near the outer edges move so incredibly fast that they should escape into deep space. Over billions of years, entire galaxies should have flown apart. But they don't. Instead, they remain perfectly intact. For decades, this puzzled astronomers. It seemed as if something invisible was holding every galaxy together, something powerful, yet completely hidden from view. Scientists eventually gave it a name: dark matter. We can't see it. It doesn't reflect light. It doesn't glow. It doesn't block light like ordinary matter. In fact, every telescope we've ever built is completely blind to it. Yet its gravity shapes the universe on the largest scales. We know it's there because we can watch its effects. Light from distant galaxies bends around invisible masses through a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. Galaxy clusters move as though they contain far more matter than we can actually observe. Everywhere scientists look, the evidence points to the same conclusion. Nearly 27% of the universe appears to be made of something no one has ever directly detected. Some researchers believe dark matter is made of entirely new particles. Others think our understanding of gravity itself may be incomplete. Despite decades of experiments deep underground and powerful particle accelerators, no one has found a definitive answer. We may be living inside a universe built upon an invisible foundation, one that we still cannot explain. And as mysterious as dark matter is, the next mystery is even stranger. Because something isn't just holding the universe together. Something is actively tearing it apart. Imagine throwing a ball high into the sky. You expect it to slow down, stop, and eventually fall back to Earth. For most of modern history, scientists believed the universe would behave the same way. Ever since the Big Bang, galaxies have been moving away from each other. Gravity should have been slowing that expansion down. It seemed like the only logical outcome. But in 1998, everything changed. While studying distant exploding stars known as Type Ia supernova, astronomers made one of the most shocking discoveries in the history of science. The universe wasn't slowing down. It was expanding faster. Every second, every minute, every year, the distance between galaxies continues to grow at an accelerating rate. It was as if an invisible force was overpowering gravity itself. Scientists gave this mysterious force a name: dark energy. But naming something isn't the same as understanding it. Today, dark energy is believed to make up nearly 68% of the entire universe. It is the single largest component of reality, yet no one knows what it truly is. Some physicists believe it's an intrinsic property of empty space itself. Others think it could be a completely unknown field of energy. or even a sign that our understanding of gravity is fundamentally incomplete. If dark energy continues to dominate the cosmos, the future of the universe could be unimaginably lonely. Galaxies will drift so far apart that future civilizations may never know other galaxies even existed. Stars will slowly burn out. Darkness will spread across an endless, freezing cosmos. And yet, this still isn't the greatest mystery, because the next question is even more astonishing. If the laws of physics created equal amounts of matter and antimatter, why does anything exist at all?